Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Roborock Saros 10R and the Roborock Qrevo Slim. Both of these robot vacuums bring cutting-edge technology to the table, with the Saros 10R featuring the innovative Adaptilift chassis for climbing obstacles and deep pile carpets, while the Qrevo Slim boasts the highest suction power Roborock has ever put in a vacuum. The Saros 10R also introduces the Starsight autonomous system for precise navigation, while the Qrevo Slim removes the LiDAR dome, making it one of the slimmest high-end robot vacuums. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robot vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start with design and navigation. The Roborock Saros 10R stands out with its sleek, low-profile design at just 7.98 centimeters in height, making it capable of slipping under most sofas and sideboards. This is due to Roborock's Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, which ditches LiDAR for a front-mounted 3D sensor, allowing it to map and navigate efficiently without the need for a bulky LiDAR dome. On the other hand, the Qrevo Slim is slightly taller at 8.2 centimeters, but also removes the LiDAR dome in favor of the new Starsight navigation system with front and rear-mounted time-of-flight sensors. This makes both models highly maneuverable under furniture. But the Qrevo Slim also includes AI-powered object recognition and a pet detection mode, which can snap pictures of pets during cleaning. While both vacuums can navigate effectively, the Qrevo Slim's additional rear TOF sensor and AI object recognition make it slightly better at avoiding obstacles in complex environments. When it comes to vacuuming performance, both models pack a punch, but with some key differences. The Roborock Saros 10R boasts an impressive 19,000 pascals of suction power, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums available. It features a duo-divide brush system with two shorter rollers to prevent hair tangling and a flexi-arm side brush for better edge cleaning. On the other hand, the Qrevo Slim is slightly less powerful at 11,000 pascals, and it still outperforms many competitors and even surpasses Roborock's high-end S8 Max V Ultra. It also comes with duo roller rubber brushes that contra-rotate to prevent hair entanglement. Both robots offer multiple suction levels, with the Saros 10R featuring Max Plus mode for deep carpet cleaning. But when it comes to sheer suction power, the Saros 10R takes the lead, making it the better option for those with high pile carpets or heavy dirt accumulation. Mopping performance is another crucial factor, and both models excel in this area. The Saros 10R uses dual microfiber mop pads that spin for better dirt agitation. It also features automatic mop pad detachment when in vacuum-only mode, so carpets don't get wet. On the flip side, the Qrevo Slim also employs dual microfiber pads, but with a unique flexi-arm mop that extends out for complete edge cleaning. While both models have hot water mop washing and hot air drying at their docks, the Qrevo Slim lacks a detergent tank, unlike the Saros 10R, which allows for extra cleaning power. Obstacle avoidance and smart features are where the Qrevo Slim starts to pull ahead. Both vacuums use the Roborock app, which remains one of the best in the industry, allowing for advanced mapping, room selection, and no-go zones. The Saros 10R introduces the Adaptilift chassis, which enables it to raise its body by 10 millimeters to cross obstacles and deep pile carpets. But users must manually set thresholds in the app for this feature to work effectively. On the other hand, the Qrevo Slim is lacking Adaptilift and compensates with AI-powered object recognition and a pet detection mode that captures photos of pets. Overall, for those who prioritize AI-powered object avoidance and smart integrations, the Qrevo Slim is the better choice. Docking and maintenance are crucial for long-term convenience, and both models come with self-emptying and self-cleaning docks. The Saros 10R features the multifunctional dock 4.0, which uses 80 degrees Celsius water for mop cleaning, a detergent tank, and 55 degrees Celsius air drying to prevent bacterial growth. It uses 2-liter dust bags, offering around 2 months of dirt storage. On the other hand, the Qrevo Slim's multifunctional dock 3.0 is slightly less advanced, with 4-liter water tanks for longer operation but no detergent tank. It also self-empties into a 3-liter bag, lasting around 7 weeks. While both docks offer excellent hands-free maintenance, the Saros 10R's addition of a detergent tank and advanced mop washing gives it a slight edge. As for my final verdict, if you need the most powerful vacuuming and deep cleaning mopping, the Saros 10R is the best choice. Its adaptive chassis, powerful suction, and detergent-ready mopping make it a beast for high-pile carpets and tough stains. On the other hand, if you want excellent navigation, AI-powered object avoidance, and a more affordable price, the Qrevo Slim is the way to go. Both are fantastic robot vacuums, but your choice depends on your priorities. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech comparisons. See you in the next one.